What's in
Hall
yours?
of sandwich. Real cheese, turkey, and salami.
Mine's not real. It's just you can look how much cheese is in the bowl.
Bad idea.
Turkey and
It's really
salami.
hot to pick up.
Suck it. See ya. Boss, bitch.
My Spain should trap, but it's raining.
Well, there's no internet.
Yeah.
It's Eden's.
Watch out.
Bye, vlogs.
Everyone had like
This is Seth, everyone. This is senior boy period. It's really rainy. We're all in the shack. Here's cages. I'll show you. Yes, it's a vlog. One sec.
Hi, live the shack. How's that? Successful day at the beach. What?
How was our morning?
So good. Like 10 out of 10. Had a grilled cheese.
Had a grilled cheese. That was a seagull ate of mine.
Grilled cheese right now.
Eva.
Lenny, yeah. This is Lenny Chum. This is just ages, and we're out for the day. Hand it back to Aiden.
Hi.
And what to say about today? How's your day?
My day today has been great. I'm just really tired, and I really want to go take a nap.
No, Sam said we're gonna leave actually. Yay!
We're leaving. I'm going to take a nap. Guys, the chair died. It's raining. It's raining.
I think I'm gonna be the star of your vlog.
You are.
Can I be?
We are going back to the cabin. It's really rainy. Do you see? I'm going to take a nap. What are you going to do?
Take a motherfucking nap. I
Take
need it.
Motherfucking nap. It's raining.
I didn't ask. Like, where are they gonna be? There's so many albums.
This is really rare. I'm rapping so well. Oh, one day, all the stories I will tell about how I rap so good in the beach. Yeah, and it's time to eat tack. Solo walking down the beach. The life jacket in hand. Oh, maybe we should just start a big band.
Guys, it's so wet. Oh, we painted my nail. Dinner's in 2 minutes. Me and Avery are soaking wet. I just took out A-Boys. Look at my hair. Okay, guys, they just broke. At dinner, they said it's movie night. The whole camp has to go straight there. It's definitely World Cup. It's movie night? It's movie night. It's movie night. We're walking to the rec hall. Straight to the rec hall. It's okay, you're just... Movie night! Guys, are we excited to watch a movie called World Cup? Yeah! Are you excited for a movie night? Yeah. What's this crown? Oh my god, Maya. Woo! I found my water bottle also, guys. Don't you worry. So, are you excited for movie night? Yeah.
No, it's a trailer. Oh no, you're right. It's not. It starts like this. Yeah, I know. Oh man.
We actually finished on time.
It's gonna need a little help from head coach Andrea Goldstein. And she's gonna need a little help from Mia Donatoni. Junior Three Little Pigs. Gonna need a little help from head coach Daniela Lang. From Pallenberg and gonna need a little help from head coach Mary Beth Neighbor. From Ashley Cameron. Junior Handling Girls. Gonna need a little help from head coach Alex Schiffer.
Sheppy's very excited to be captain. Everyone's gonna want to be on her team. She's the best. Woo! Eating my soup at the moment. This is what my soup looks like. It's Jamie's. Goodbye. Okay, bye. Guys, it's almost 2 the morning. It is so past my curfew.
You want smoke? We'll change to a pack. Take a hood girl on tags. I'm a fucking game. I'll
Burn 'em.
bag.
Here's my outfit of the day. This shirt is from Aritzia. These shorts are from Garage. I have to go to lunch. Woohoo! I think it's mac and cheese for lunch. I'll show you. Bye.
Are you tired from running through mine? A good time. Show you moves like I'm an ocean. It's good all through the single
I'm currently eating my sandwich. It's with cheese and salami in it, like spicy salami with some spicy chipotle sauce. It's so good. Yummuckin' at like 9:30 at night. It's Wednesday, July 20th, and I think this may be the most tired days I've ever had at camp. I'm literally falling on my face. I'm exhausted. I also feel like a cold is coming because everyone around camp is sick. And I don't have rest hours today because I'm filling in for Dahlia for mini Jack and the Beanstalk coach. Talk bathing suit of the day. It's from Shein. Super cute. It's my dock duty fit. I had to take a dip because it was so hot. It was supposed to be raining today. It's supposed to be 100% thunderstorms at 11, and it's 11 right now, and it's sunny and 31. So I don't know who said it was raining. Weather app is wrong. Left the beach because I need to take a nap for my own well-being because I'm exhausted. So right now I'm filling in for Dahlia Rappaport, who's mini World Cup coach for Jack and the Beanstalk. I only thought it was fitting, so she came to me and asked me to fill in for coach. So it's me and Alexa. We're gonna coach them. This is my outfit. I'm wearing the shirt and then just little black shorts and my Birks running shoes because coach vibes, and it's during rest hour, so yay. Woohoo! Go Jack and the Beanstalk! We just won our game! Yeah. We subbed for Dahlia and Alicia.
We're head coaches now.
We're officially head coaches. Like, we just won. 2-1.
We're so good at it
So
too.
good. We're so good. Okay, this is our team. We just left because obviously we won, and now I'll show you senior right there. We'll walk by. I'll show you. Hey guys, I'm Sam. Until she comes back from day off, I have her walkie, I have her keys. No, these are Sid's keys actually. I have a day off request sheet that I need to give in. I'm also head of ski clinic because Sid isn't here, so I have to run that later. I've been stressed. This is a lot of work.
Look over there. There's a heron in the sky. It's flying over there. It's really flying. And in the what? There's a heron in the sky. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look over there. There's a heron in the sky. There's a what in the sky? A heron in the sky. There's a heron in the sky. There's a heron in the sky. There's a what in the sky? There's a heron in the sky. Does it flow as well? Oh, look over there. There's showman driving. Showman driving what? The boat. The boat. The boat. The boat. And we're in the bear. Not the polar bear. Not the polar bear. We're in the bear. The bear 200. Oh yeah. And Jacqueline's wearing Ray-Bans. Jacqueline's wearing Ray-Bans. Avery's wearing Fay-Bans. Avery's wearing Fay-Bans. Who's wearing H-Bands? We're wearing H-Bands. And look at them fishing over there. And look at them fishing over there. Over where? Over there. And I wish they catch a fish. I hope they catch a heron in the sky. Heron in the sky. There.
I'm vlogging.
You can hear my voice and love me. Hey guys, it's me, Farah. You know me, you love me. That's all I gotta say.
I took Farrah's half a cookie because she like
It was horrible and dang, and Jack's just scooping it up.
really yummy.
No.
These are my favorite cookies. Okay, bye. We're in the vlog.
Guys, she's coming in. Guys, I can't undo the tape.
Hey guys, it's Timmy's birthday. 1 minute.
Hi. They can't see us.
It's 12. My phone's at 1.
Our campus are so cute. Look what they did.
Everybody scream that, okay?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jamie. Happy birthday to you. I feel so official with the keys and the walkie. And I'm going to the beach now to gas. There they are. There's the CITs. Hey guys. I'm with Zaza. We're reffing the final World Cup game. Okay, this is our outfits. This is all black.
Yeah.
And then our water bottles and our sunglasses and our whistles. Okay, bye. Anything you want to say? Hansel and Gretel on 3. 1, 2, 3, Hansel and Gretel! Stop trying to score bonus points. Okay guys, we're in the pool shack. We just wrapped the game. Jack and Beanstalk won 6-1? 6-1. Zoe Saskin, Sloan Boro, Sophie Halpern, Joey Smorgan, star player. I'll show you what the pool shack looks like. Very different from how it used to look. Oh, its floors are so nice. Nothing there. And yeah, and here's general swim happening. I'll show you. Look at the lighting here. Damn! There's Gub on the chair. Oh. Damn, look at that big whistle. What? I'm going on day off, so I have to give back Sam's walkie and Sid's keys. This is really upsetting. My power is being taken away from me. No more head of beach. It's okay. The keys made me feel really powerful, but so did the walkie that said Sam. Okay, it's my day off now. I'm leaving. Bye! Here's my beautiful bed. Anyways, here's my bag. I'm going. Bye! Big smile. Oh. So excited. By the way, we're picking up it's very like quaint. It's very quiet. Oh shit. There's a spot right there. Wait, I think it's sharing a bed. Yay! This is how I'm gonna sleep, okay guys? I'm gonna sleep like this. This Jeff's gonna sleep like this. JK, we're gonna cuddle. Oh, this is our room, I'll show you. That's disgusting. Fan, bed. Hey guys, it's 10:24. I'm in bed and I couldn't be happier. Everyone else is out getting ice cream and I that's my day off for you. There's the hangout. Hey, we're ready to go. We're going out for brunch. Here's my fit. Woo! Sheppy, show your fit. Now we're going downstairs. Bye-bye. I can say whatever you like. Hi. Or is this like a job? Yeah. Vlog. Hey, don't be awkward. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hi. Gal, that's his Gabby. Hi.
How to act.
We're on day off. We're at Alamo Pizza.
Yes.
You got, what'd you order? Show what you your food.
I got some avocado. Oh, that's really good.
looks
Avocado toast, and she got a nice little bagel. So I'm very excited to eat this all.
Yeah. The fruit looks really good. I haven't had fruit in a really long time.
Waiter created something for me because I was like indecisive, so I'm not really sure what I'm getting. We'll keep you updated.
Okay, we'll do it. Okay, Haley's food just came. What'd you order?
What did I order?
Yeah. What'd you order?
Swiss cheese, eggs Benedict, something. Fine.
What did you get? He's not.
Okay, I'm not sure, but he said it was an assortment of like cereal, fruit, and then there's toasted eggs coming
Oh my god.
with
Wow.
this. So
Beautiful.
Yeah. I love how it's on a cutting board. That's really cute.
I also got excited about I just picked those up. Okay, this is the crew neck. It's like really big, so like I don't think I'm gonna get it. And then these sweats, which like I really like. Actually, they're so comfy. They're so comfy. Oh my god, you're like on the ground. Do you see it? This is the crew neck. Like I think it's just really, really big. It's also like $40. Like I don't really need it. Okay, now there's this blue t-shirt, which I really, really, really like. $25. It's so soft. It's so nice. Okay, I really don't like this skirt. It's like so long. I don't know what that is. I'm not taking these, even though this skirt is literally $30, but like it doesn't fit me well. And these shorts are $30 too. They're really cute, but like no. And I'm gonna take all these two more bralettes because I wear them every day. I'm literally wearing one right now. And then this t-shirt, and I'll show you the haul after. Look at these shorts. They're so cute. Okay guys, jam-packed bags. Sheffy, lots of bags. Dahlia, lots of bags. Now we're leaving. We're gonna go out here and order our Uber back to Haley's. Yay! How happy are we?
I literally didn't eat any of this. But here we are.
Oh my god, my Starbucks still full. Oh my god, it's hot out. Let's go figure out the Uber sitch.
So I just bought stuff I didn't really need.
No, you did though. You did. I think you did. I think she had a great buy from
This much
Maurizia.
work of Walmart for a week at camp.
Yeah, but it's not all yours. Haley's.
Jacqueline's really good at validating my decisions in life. I really appreciate it.
I really am. But I'm also very honest. If it's something looks ugly, I will tell you.
Yeah.
Okay guys, I'm doing a haul right now. I'll just put this on Life of Jack also, actually. Like the same video. But this is also gonna go on the vlog. Okay, this is my bag from Maurizia. But there's also a little garage item in here, which I got. Because I tried them on last week with Ash, but they only had a medium. So now they have a small. And they're great. Also for girls basketball league, amazing. They're just plain white shorts. Really cute, super cute. I got these sweats in Maurizia. They're on sale for $40. They're the Heather Chrome small cozy boyfriend TNA cozy fleece sweats. You got those? Yeah, they're small.
Oh, I was looking for those.
They had another small.
They did?
Yeah.
Shut up.
Yeah, and like the side is like ripped. Really cute. Then I got this t-shirt that Sheppy has, which she like it right now. Yeah.
Do they have another one of those?
Yeah. This is small.
That's so good for Michigan.
It is a small. This is my favorite color.
Why didn't I see any of this?
This was $25, little ribbed, really nice quality. And then I got this sweater. This is just like beautiful. My mom likes the color. This is an extra small. Look how big it is. You bought a small, right?
I got a small. It's huge.
It's huge. And the quality is so nice, and it's good for like studying in the library or wear this every day going to school.
What about that?
Anyways.
Missed out. Was not paying attention. Inertia.
Yeah, you were. You have to show them your haul. You got so much.
At Garage, I got these sweatpants. I'm super excited about them. They're so comfy. They finally, they're like green. Okay. They're actually called Rainforest Green. So then I also got that sweater with Jacqueline, and then I found this tank top for $12 at Aritzia that I'm super excited about.
$12?
$12.50. Yeah.
Got some food and stuff, but I got jeans, which I don't usually get. I'm not really good at talking to the camera.
Okay,
I'm kind
okay.
of like intimidated.
She got really good
Okay,
pairs
yeah.
of jeans that are like beautiful.
Like, and usually they're like 160 and they were 40 or 40.
We've got to our deal.
Oh god, we didn't tell our
didn't
deal.
tell them our deal.
Okay, the green sweater was originally,
$128.
guess what we got it for?
I'll give you a second to guess. Okay, time's up. It was $50.
What? I would, like, you can't say no to that.
And then I got these bad boys.
Hold on, say how much the
Oh yeah, my jeans were originally 130 and I got them for 48.
crazy.
For both, I got them in blue and black, and then I got.
I like the blue ones. The blue ones are so bad.
I've never had these like comfy pants.
Waffle show.
Waffle.
Show them.
Apparently. Oh yes.
I'm wearing them right now.
Here's an up close. And they were originally $58 and I got them for $28.
Wow.
So I would call that a steal. And now I'm going to go off the camera.
Okay. Oh wait, no, show them the blue jeans. The blue jeans are my favorite.
Yeah, Jacqueline really liked
The blue jeans, they like fit her like they were
The
made
lady
for her.
hyped me up for these too. She was like, "You have to buy these."
What's the brand? Denim Forum.
Denim Forum. Super nice. Like they flare.
They're beautiful, but they don't look flared on you. They just look like they fit her because she's long legs. Anyways, and then we have Starbucks here, venti iced vanilla latte, and a bunch of waffles. Okay, that's it. That's our haul. Okay, bye.
Ring is a Reese.
Tony!
This is my outfit for Shabbat.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Life with Jack, but Life with Dan and Alexa. We're filming the dance.